Welcome to Plant and Food Research, and I'm pretty excited about this. Now, I don't know about you, but you might not be into science. I am, but these guys specialize in stuff called food, which goes onto your plate, and I know everyone's into that. Come on in. Christina and Roger have pricked my interest because we're in what looks to be some kind of like a food lab. There's fridges, and there's holes in the wall, and dark glasses. What on earth are we doing?
Plant and Food has worked a lot with products that end up in consumers' homes. And for over a period of time, we've realized that we needed to understand consumers in a lot of detail.
Right, so this is how we research food. We put a whole lot of people in a room and we go, taste this, we change something, we say, taste that, and we say, what's better?
Essentially, yes. And because you can do all the chemistry and understand all of the components of the food, but the final test is in what people actually perceive.
So welcome to our tasting space. So we've got a booth environment set up here where it's a complete controlled environment. When you're in here experiencing, you're only experiencing the product that we're presenting to you. Cool, so let's do some tasting.
One of the things that you often find if you take even quite everyday products, completely devoid of anything that is around the environment and taste them, they actually taste quite different.
What am I drinking? What on earth am I drinking? Oh, wow.
So one of the really increasing consumer segments right now is in the plant-based beverages.
That's so good, I think. I'm really struggling to pick that.
In this environment, it just allows us to taste the products without knowing what they are and really focus on the sensory characteristic.
Oh man, that's milk. That is so bizarre because I love milk and that doesn't taste as good. I don't know if I've won or lost.
So some of the genetic work that we've been doing is looking at certain anosmias that people have. So an anosmia is when you can't perceive a particular aroma. So it's just a genetic aspect of you.
Just doesn't feature.
That means you just can't smell it.
Okay.
And this here is an aroma that we identified about 50% of the population who perceive it really clearly and as a specific type of aroma. And the other 50% either can't perceive much or the notes that they're getting are actually very different. So take one of these and see if you can...
They're all 537.
They're all the same, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's quite subtle.
For those that are quite sensitive to it, I'm one of which, when you put it that close to your nose, you literally get tears to your eyes.
Really? So that's actually making you go back like that?
Yeah, it's very floral, it's a violet.
I don't mean to brag, but look how much I can sniff of it. Woo! I'm going to do it for the crew. Let's go, JD. Nothing?
No.
Yeah.
Nothing.
I'm walking. I smell hard.
I can't smell anything.
Is it punching you in the face?
Not quite.
We need to find someone that it smacks. So now we've got the entire bottle of it, and watch this. Is that bad for me?
No, it's not bad for you, but I literally can't understand.
Yeah, no.
How you doing it? So
come here, we've got another victim.
Ugh, makes me feel sick.
Does it actually get you?
Yes, do you not smell it? Oh, that's crazy.
Do that. This is amazing. No, I'm kidding. So, what have we learnt? I think it's fair to say that we've learned that taste is far more complicated than just the sensation that we get when we put things on our tongue, and it's even influenced by smell, which is influenced by our DNA.